Hello students, today let's discuss exercise 1.1 Euclid division algorithm by using Euclid division method. First of all, we use Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma. Lemma is a proved statement. We just apply that. If we apply lemma more than one time, then we can say Euclid division algorithm. Okay, then what is Euclid division lemma? Come on, page number 3, read it. Euclid division lemma. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equal to bq plus r, and that is remainder is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. Okay, in earlier classes you have done this type. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and remainder is greater than equal to 0 but less than divisor. Okay, same is there. Then come on, exercise 1.1, first question, first part. 135 and 225. Okay, then which number is greater than 225 is greater than 135? Then assume this is a and this one is b, because a is greater than b. Then Euclid division lemma is a is equal to bq plus r, and remainder is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. Divide 225 with 135. 1 ja 135. This is the one complete step is there. Okay, this is a, this one is b, this is quotient, and this one is a remainder. Put the value here, a, b, q, and this one is the remainder. Then remainder left is there. Then come on, 135. In next step, this is a, this one is b, 91 ja 90, this is q, and this one is a r for the second step. A is 135, b is 90, q is 1, and remainder is 45. Then apply here a, b, q and r. Again remainder is there. Then apply again, 90 will go. Okay, become a dividend. Then 45 to ja 90, remainder is 0. Then this one is a, this is b, this is q, and this one is r. Then a, b, q and r. Complete remainder is 0. Then this one is the HCF. Okay, this is the pair work and this one is the rough work. Okay, do this rough work in the right hand side. Okay, then HCF is 45. Come on, second part. 196 and 38,220. Okay, then apply the division method. 38,220 divide with 196. Then 1 ja. Okay, 2 is left. Then take 2 carry. Okay, 1862. Then in 9 ja. Okay, this one is given. Then what is the left? 980. Then 5 ja complete is there. Remainder is 0. There is only one step. This is a, this is b, this one is q, and this one is r. A is equal to bq plus r. Only one step is there. Then this is the HCF. HCF is 196. Then come on, third part. 867 and 255. Then a is equal to bq plus r. This is a and this one is b. Again apply the division method. Okay, 3 ja 102 is left. Then this is a, this is b, this one is q, and this is remainder. Okay, r the remainder ka first alphabet of the remainder quotient, and this is the first alphabet of remainder. These are the given two numbers. Okay, then a is equal to bq plus r. A, b, q and r. Again 102 is there. Again, okay, same for the second step. A, this is b, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Same apply here. Then third step is there. 51 2 ja 100, 2 remainder is 0. Then 1 and 2 is equal to 51 multiply 2 plus 0. Then HCF is 51. This is your HCF by using the equivalent division algorithm, equivalent division lemma. And when we lemma use time, then it is algorithm. Okay. Lemma is a proved statement algorithm. When we will apply the lemma again and again, then that is a, you can say, equivalent division algorithm. Equivalent division algorithm. Okay. For solution of the questions, we always write here by using equivalent division algorithm. Come on, second question. Okay, come on, first third. Read the statement. An army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to the march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? If maximum number is there, then always almost 99% we will find the HCF. Then maximum is there, just find the LCM of 616 and 32. Okay. Then same, apply the division method. Divide with 32. 63 2 1 ja. Okay. This is 9 and this one is 2. 196 is there. Then again, what is the step? 9 ja 18 28 8 is left. Okay. Then first step is A is equal to BQ plus R. R is less than B. Then A is equal to B is 32 and Q is 19 and remainder is 8. Then again apply same step. 8 4 ja 32. Remainder is 0. 32 is equal to 8 into 4 plus 0. Then HCF is equal to 8. Hence, required maximum number of columns. Required maximum number of column is equal to 8. Okay, complete. Then today homework is, you will do question number first and third properly. Okay. Okay students, stay at home, be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day.